Most AI website builders only handle the design part. But Lumi is different. It creates your whole website, front end, back end, and database, all from just one prompt. I'm going to give Lumi this prompt. Create a complete website for real estate offices in Cyprus, where visitors can choose whether they want to rent, buy, lease, for sale, or rental, and make sure all the updates are handled on the back end with the database. So, let's see what we get. I just gave it my prompt, and Lumi builds everything, front end, back end, logic, and database, automatically. I don't have to do anything. It can even pick the colors for me. You can see the design is based on the location I provided. I wanted to make it more challenging, and it's actually up for it. And Lumi offers fantastic back-end functionality. Lumi's built-in back-end lets you manage your users. Every user you get as a lead on the website will show up here, and you can manage and edit them. You can even manage submissions from your website. You can have an email service to send real emails to your leads or clients, and even get analytics directly from here. No extra setup, no need for third-party plugins anymore. All the data stays within the project environment here. This is perfect for MVPs, SaaS prototypes, or any tool that needs real back-end logic fast. Lumi can even connect to online services with just simple instructions. Just ask through the chat. For example, I can ask Lumi, link a Stripe account or external database for transactions or data storage, and it will do it for me on my website or app. And just like that, the website I requested, Lumi, is done. And honestly, the design is amazing. Check this out. I can actually list properties, rent a property, or even buy a property from here, search for properties on the website, and even sign in. And it's amazing because Lumi learns contextually, adapting to your project so every connection feels intuitive. And let's test it out. Let's say I want to list the property. I'm going to fill in all the information so I can test if it will actually list it on the website. Now, this is amazing. I actually filled in all the information. I click Submit for approval, and it immediately asks me to log into Lumi so I can list the property. I just created an account now on my website that Lumi created for me, and let's see. I click List Property. Oh my god, and it's listed. You can actually see the property here, and you can request information. And let's go to Workspace. On Workspace, it actually tracked the lead. It added my information under Users, and I can delete or edit myself. And once your ad works end-to-end, you can click Publish and Lumi instantly hosts your site. Let's do it. And my website is live. I can copy the link, visit my website, and of course, I can even create a custom domain and connect it to the website. And everything goes live together. The front end is interactive and responsive. The back end stays active with real-time data tracking. The database syncs automatically, no manual configuration needed. Like you've seen, emails, forms, and APIs remain functional after deployment. Users can test, register, and interact immediately, proving it's truly full-stack and non-static. Don't just build a website. Launch a full ad with real back-end power. Try Lumi.new and see your idea go live in minutes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave questions in comments for answers. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.